Welcome you in English class. Dear students, today we shall read out chapter number 14. It's belong to a poem named The Ballad of Seema Water. Okay? Composed by Sir William Watson. So before starting this poem, I would like to explain what is ballad. Ballad is a long song or a long poem that tell us a story, often love, wars, battles. Okay, that is called ballad. Okay, long song or long poem which gives us a story, that is called ballad. Understand? So, dear students, the Ballad of Seema Water is a poem about a land under the Seema water where there is a king palace. In this poem, the poet tells the story of a magnificent place which was ruled by king and queen. This town was built around the lake of Seymour water. Once a beggar came to the palace. He was thirsty and hungry, but he was returned without food and drink. The king and the queen attitude towards the life and was not good. So the people are scarce throughout the whole poem, right? And the beggar cursed the kingdom of Seymour water and it vanished forever without leaving any trace of existence. How much big curse was given to the king and queen and his palace and also the city. Understand? Dear student, it is a poem of high moral values. So, therefore, I think it is generally taught to the children. Dear students, you have heard about this proverb. What proverb? As you sow, so shall you reap. Which means that action or deeds of a person repay him or her in kind. Okay, once again, as you sow, so shall you reap. This proverb is absolutely right and also goes upon this poem theme. Understand? So, before doing any work, all of us think about it again and again, then do that work. Okay? Moreover, dear students, you read Alankar in Hindi. Similarly, you have to understand figure of speech. That is called Alankar. But in English, we say figure of speech. This poem totally has been decorated by main figure of speech are visual imagery, repetition, alliteration, hyperton, anaphor, and personification. All these are figure of speech which has been decorated this poem, The Ballad of Seymour Water. I think, dear students, you have properly understood the theme of this poem, and also you would have gained the moral. As you sow, so shall you reap, and follow in your life. Goodbye, students.